The long-tail cast-on. The first step in a long-tail cast-on is to reserve enough yarn for your tail. The easiest way to calculate is to leave a length that's 4 times the finished width of your project. To begin, I'll drape my yarn over my right needle and hold it in place with my index finger. Next, I will grab the tail and the working yarn and hold them to my palm with my ring finger and pinky, inserting my index finger and thumb through the loop to create a slingshot. Going to go under the outermost loop on the left and pick up a loop underneath the strand on the right, and then mounting the stitch on my needle. Going under the left loop, under the right loop, mounting the stitch on my needle. Going under the left loop, under the right loop, and placing the stitch on my needle. Once you sort out the mechanics of the long tail cast-on and get some muscle memory in place, this is one of the quickest cast-ons to work, and it's very stretchy. And that's how you work a long tail cast-on.